Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, this news, it matters. What's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we're here to talk about the Galaxy Note 9. We haven't talked about any smartphones for a long time, so it's time to start talking about the Note 9 because the release date will be here very, very soon. Now, we've heard rumors and speculations of the Galaxy Note 9 launching early. If it does, listen, my money is ready. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to talk about some of the features that are possibly coming on the Galaxy Note 9. Okay, now we're going to start off with number one. Number one, a feature that we don't want to see on the Galaxy Note 9 is the notch. We do not want to see the notch. We don't care what LG is doing. We really don't care about the Huawei phone adopting notch. I don't even understand how this is coming about. It is a ugly design. I understand why Apple may be using it, but Samsung needs to continue to do what they've been doing. It is working. The Infinity display is beautiful. It's unique. It's the best looking smartphone, in my opinion, on the market today. So Samsung, if you're listening, continue with the Infinity display. If anything, stretch the display a little bit more if you can. That's feature number one that we want to continue to see on the Galaxy Note 9. Feature number two, let's talk about it. Now, if this feature comes to the Galaxy Note 9, it is definitely going to be a game changer over a couple other features that I'm looking forward to seeing or having on the Galaxy Note 9 when it arrives, and that's the S Pen. Now, they have always been upgrading the S Pen. We've always been getting new features and functions out of the S Pen, which is cool. I use it, not as much as I should or could, but I do use it. It is useful. Now, the feature that I want to talk about, and take this with a grain of salt, because it's only speculation and rumors at this point, is that the S Pen may come with a microphone, which will make it possible for you to use this S Pen as a phone to make phone calls. What do you think about that? Now, this definitely, if it comes, it's going to change the way technology evolves. The S Pen with a microphone, I will pay for that. Feature number three. 8 gigabytes of RAM. We got to have it, right? Yes, we got 6, but I'm looking at it, we still need more. And yes, with 6 gigabytes of RAM, I'm still getting awesome battery life. I have everything running in the background, and I'm still able to make it home with battery life to spare, right? But if we had 8 gigabytes of RAM, that would make battery efficiency just that much better. And alongside of that, if possible, because we're probably not going to get it, 256 gigabytes of storage. Therefore, we need not worry about SD cards. We have everything we need right on the device. Those are two huge features that I would like to see come to the Galaxy Note 9. Now, the last two features I save for last because they are two of the most important features that I would like to see come on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, we get nothing else. We don't get the S Pen with the microphone. We don't get the 8 gigabytes of RAM. We don't get the 256 gigabytes of storage. Listen, I would be happy with these last two features that will come on the Galaxy Note 9. Let's talk about the fingerprint scanner. Why is it so important? Because it makes life so much more convenient. Now, you have many people that are saying that it's a natural place for the fingerprint scanner to be on the back of the phone. That is not true. I beg to differ. A natural place for the fingerprint scanner is on the display. Depending on how you're pulling your phone out of your purse, out of your pocket, you normally grab it and your thumb is already at the bottom of the display, which makes it simple. The way I wheel and deal my phone, my thumb stays at the fingerprint scanner down at the bottom of the phone. So my thumb is already looking for it. So I find that to be very important. Right now, I'm not using any security on my phone because of the inconvenience of the fingerprint scanner being on the back of the phone. So a natural place for it would be right up under the display. It's gonna look awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing this feature come to life on the Galaxy Note 9. Feature number 5, battery life. Now, battery life has got to be the number one most important feature that anyone would want out of a smart device, especially for me on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, I have the Galaxy Note 8, and on the Galaxy Note 8, it's a beast in the battery department with a 3300 milliamp hour battery. It's carrying me through the whole day with heavy use, and I'm coming home after 13 hours of work time and still have battery life to spare. That's awesome. Now, someone with normal casual use can make it home with anywhere between 80 to 65% battery life, which means that they could possibly go through a day and a half, close to 2 days of battery life. But what happens with most people? Most people start to dial back things like cut down the screen display, go through and just cut out all the apps that's running in the background. That's not something that I do with my smart device. That's something that I don't want to worry about with a smart device. And with the Galaxy Note 9, if it comes with a 3500 milliamp hour battery and or a 4000 milliamp hour battery, this is going to be a super beast in the battery department, and I'm looking forward to that. That means it keeps you away from the charger. We could possibly get 3 days, maybe 3.5 days of battery life, possibly. I would like to see that. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Now, I do want to note that they are coming out with a new color. This color is called Toby Brown. I don't know what color this is going to be, if it's going to be a copper tone or what, but I'm looking forward to seeing what new colors Samsung is going to bring to the Galaxy Note 9. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you're going to get the Galaxy Note 9, hit me down in the comment section below. Let me know what features you're looking forward to seeing to come on the Galaxy Note 9. All right, you all, if you liked the video, hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.